Alright, today on Garage Bears, I don't know if you've seen any of the other videos, but we got a little bit of wood. A whole smack of elm to cut. And we were cutting it with this little guy, the old Princess Auto Special. You know what? The old man used to split his wood for smoking his sausage, and it works great for him. However, when you're trying to cut or split things that are, that big and bigger, we need to get something bigger. So today we have good friend Mr. Kevin, and here's what he built. Hooks right up to his tractor, right on a 3-point, runs off to hydraulics. He's got a big old ram there, big split there. Pretty much what he built the whole thing on is just a big I-beam. From there, he welded the I-beam some big solid metal onto more I-beam for an axle, so it's easy to move. An adjustable stand right there for different heights. He's eventually going to put a hitch on it, so that way we can tow it around with the quad or whatever we want, or tow it with the tractor. Just a big hydraulic ram. How big is this ram?
4.5 inch.
So 4.5 inch. Just the hydraulics there to burn off the tractor. It goes to go in and out. Big blade he welded up, put down to a point. Super handy, very professionally done. Rod held on to the stick with vice grips. We got true redneck. We got other stuff, but this works for now. And it works slick as snot. Right now we're gonna do more additions, but right now he just operates that. It pulls in. Splits like that. Not gonna cost thousands of dollars. So if you can get your hands on some of this stuff, I know a lot of guys, old farm equipment, stuff like that, that's essentially what most of this is. Make sure you're doing it, you stand off to the, do not stand off to the side, because these have a tendency to shoot out sometimes. He's safe, he's standing back here, I'm standing here. They won't shoot that way, they will shoot off to the side. The other thing he's gonna do is he's gonna end up building on this side here, just something so you can put the log on there, lift it up, it falls in. He's gonna have another little guard here so it doesn't fall out. And then we'll just have a table set up here, so like there, and then you just push it all on and go onto that table. If we weren't using the tractor for something else, we'd literally have the other tractor here with the bucket. You throw it all into the bucket, so you only have to move it once. But as far as things go, you know, 2 people help make it easier, but you can literally do this operation by single person. So if you got a lot of wood you want to split, here's an idea. All right, short one, but worth it. Alright, since this was the inaugural test of it, I mean, he split a 4x6 crosswise, so I mean, we knew it had the power, so now we wanted to find some weak points. So one of the things we found just for the table, you can see this kind of bent down a bit just for big pieces. You know what, it actually kind of worked out, so that might be a design we keep. The one weak point we found though is this, right, where it's riding along. You can kind of see here how it was kind of bending up. Hold the camera right. So with all the pressure pushing, it would go up and it would bend this guy. So we're thinking we might need something a little more heavy duty there. And the reason why we're stopping, which by the way, we've been at it for what, like 15, 20 minutes?
20 minutes maybe.
At max. That's what we did. And some of the pieces was like stumps like that big guy. But another thing we got to look at, so with bigger steel, maybe, and he's using grade 8 bolts. You can see we popped one bolt there, and as soon as I kind of let go, the whole thing just shifts up like that. So if you're going to build something, see like up here, this is holding firm, but maybe get something a little thicker, because this is what, 1/4 inch at the bottom plate?
Yeah, it's 1/4 inch.
So we're using 1/4 inch. You could probably go up like maybe 5/8 or so, or not 5/8, 3/8.
No, I'll probably go 1/2 inch or 5/8.
Well, 1/2 inch.
Overbuild it.
Yeah, if you overbuild it, it ain't gonna break. This is getting a little warm, but I mean, I'm holding my hand on. We literally just quit, so yeah. If you're gonna build something like this, there's a couple of things to look out for, and yeah, that's the end of this episode. If you liked what we did, you know, but beyond all means, comment if you have any other ideas for design. If you think we're right out of her, I'd like to hear that too. Any attention's good attention. And yeah, like, subscribe, comment, and I'll keep putting this stuff out whether you like it or not. All right, see you next time.